Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be fluid filling the lawnmower tires. Don't have no special tools. Got a piece of fuel line and a funnel, and just burp them. I'll show you how it's done. Pull the valve core out. Oh, excuse me. Got a funnel, piece of fuel line right into the valve stem, wired up so it stays. I just put a gallon in, well, mostly a gallon. I burped it a little early. And got some RV antifreeze, some marine. So I bought 8 gallon. I'd like to get at least, I don't know, 3 in the rear. See how many, maybe might be able to get a 4th one in there. Now, I thought I could use a lube spray nozzle. That way it would burp out the straw. But I just don't want to cut that any shorter, cut this any shorter, make it a more of a bend than this would need to be. But I thought I could drop it down through there and right in the tire and burp itself out. But if it was a little longer, I probably might be able to work it. One that comes on the farmhand can. Well, hell, they call that Big Shot. Used to be farmhand can. So yeah, just burping. New jug. What I'll do is I'll put my foot on the tire. Here, press in. Pour this, and while I'm pouring it, just let it. The way it burps itself, you know. And then once it starts to burp, you can tend to get away with a little bit. It started to do it again. Get it up to the top, butt off. Do it again. There's all kinds of air bubbles coming up. So, but empty out, let it gurgle, then do it again. So, need a little bit more, 6.5 gallons per tire. You know, these are a weird size. 23, 10, 12. For some reason I was thinking they was 23, 11, 13, but 23, 10, 12. 6.5 gallon. I could probably put a little more in there, make it 7, but That's fine. That's good enough. Now, the real test is when I mow next, considering I just mowed, I start mowing banks. You know? Because I was slipping and sliding. Yeah. Like this one here. No, it doesn't look like that bad on camera, but it's I bet you it's around 60 degrees or so. That'll be the real test. Anyway, y'all, I'll catch you on the next one. See y'all.